My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Boxycharm Premium for the month of December. So if you would like to see what I got this month, then keep on watching. And if you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe, you know, if you feel like it. All right, so Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month, and let's get right into it. So this month's theme is bubbles and glitz, and the first product is a product that I was hoping I was gonna get, so I'm really excited about it, and it is the Viseart. This is the Neutral Mattes 12 Pan eyeshadow palette. So quick backstory with my history in Viseart palettes. So like about 5 years ago when they started gaining popularity on YouTube, and you know, I was seeing people saying, oh, these are such amazing, you know, quality eyeshadows, I was like, all right, I gotta try these, despite the price point being $80. So I got a palette. I want to say it was this one. I don't remember for sure though. And I was like, yes, these are amazing eyeshadows, but I couldn't rationalize paying $80 for it. So I ended up returning it. And here we are 5 years later, and I have it again. So I actually did use this on my eyes today because I originally was going to do an unboxing / try on, but I'm like, this is just taking way too long. But I do want to ask your guys' opinion. Do you prefer to just see an unboxing, or do you prefer to see an unboxing and try on? Let me know in the comments below. So yeah, like I said, this does retail for $80, and it is an all matte palette. All right, so next we have this Elemis Peptides Plumping Pillow Facial. This super cooling gel mask glides onto the skin, creating a biomimetic veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon waking. So this retails for $65. So this is a overnight mask, and yeah, let's see what it looks like. I've only tried a few Elemis products, but they seem to be quality skincare. This is 1.6 fluid ounces. And here's what it looks like. It does, like it says, it does look like a gel mask. Okay. All right, next is this True and Luscious Lucky Glow Palette. So this Anytime, Anywhere Summer Essentials Palette. Summer. Is it just me, or is that the wrong season? Because I think we're in winter or something right now. Whatever it is, I know it's not summer. But okay. Features ultra-fine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous, skin-loving color. So it says it's a bronze and highlight palette. I have not heard of this brand before, but let's see what she looks like. Oh, these pan sizes are actually really large. Those highlight shades, though, I know are going to be way too dark for me. So I'm not going to swatch this just because I'm going to keep it for a giveaway, but it does have a really nice mirror. And yeah, if those highlight shades were a little lighter, I would definitely be excited to try this. So yeah, $46. I think I said that, but I'm not quite sure. So next we have, all right, I have two Glam Glow masks. I have, yes. So I have, this is the Eye Boost Reviving Eye Mask. And actually it's like kind of a fan of the opera type shape there. And this is, ooh, that's really interesting. the Glow Lace Radiance Boosting Hydration Sheet Mask. If you can see, like, that looks really cool. So, I guess these retail for $18. It says the Eye Boost Metallic Masquerade Mask addresses the entire eye area to revive, revitalize, and energize with hyaluronic acid, skin smoothing algae, and mushroom extracts to reduce the look of dry, fine lines. And the Glow Lace Sheet Mask uses the power of hyaluronic acid, green tea, and caffeine to deliver hydration and re-energize the skin. Okay. I love Glam Glow, so I'm definitely down to try that. Next is, we have this Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. So it includes a deluxe eyeshadow brush, deluxe blending crease brush, a chisel shader brush, precision detail crease brush, and chisel shadow base brush. So here is what they look like. I have about 4,018 brushes, so I'm going to put these in for a giveaway. But I do love Crown brushes, and these are really pretty with the white and rose gold. Ooh, do I want to keep these? No, I'll put them in for a giveaway. And this retails for $34.95. And the last product is this Elizabeth Mott It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. So the volumizing mascara of your dreams, this mega volume long lash max curl mascara lasts all day with no smudge. So I did watch a couple Boxycharm unboxings, and one of the ones I watched was a try on, and they tried this mascara and they weren't that impressed. So I think I'm just going to put this in for a giveaway because I have so many mascaras as it is. And this retails for $20. So this is a box variation number 2 if anyone is interested. And yeah, overall, I am really pleased with this Boxycharm Premium. I mean, I probably would have been happy if they just sent me this palette. I mean, no, that's not true, but you know what I'm saying. Like, just this is more than what I paid for it. So I'm really excited to try that, these Glam Glow masks, and the Elemis sleeping mask. Let me know what you guys think about my Boxycharm Premium down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video.